Hey guys, welcome back to Code Like a Pro. In this video, I'll show you how to make your own rock paper scissors game in Python. So let's get started. First, you'll have to import a module called random. You don't need to install anything because it's already installed on your computer. So you can just go ahead and type import random. Next, we will create a while loop. So we will be like while true. Then we'll make a variable which will be choices equals to rock, paper or scissors. Next, we will make an other variable which will be the computer equals to random dot choice. Then in the bracket we will be like choices. Next, we will create our player variable which will be set to none and should be capital. And after that, we'll create another while loop which will be while player not in choices. We will make another variable which will be player equals to input rock, paper or scissors. Rock, paper or scissors. And I'll just add a question mark over here. And we will, at the end of the code, we will put and dot lower and then two brackets. What this means is whatever the user inputs in this variable, it will convert it into the lower string and it will give it to the computer. Next, we will create an if loop which will be right here. So if player equals to computer, we will print computer. So these are the results basically. So computer, then we'll go here and then we'll give the variable to be the computer. So it's just gonna print the result, and we are gonna do the same thing for the player. So exactly the same thing. And after that, we are just I'm just gonna add this colon, and after that we are gonna print. It's gonna be a tie, so we'll just print tie. So that's about this loop. Next we'll go to elif. So elif player equals to rock. Then we will print the same thing. Computer and the variable computer, and after that we will print the player which we did last time as well. So player, and outside we will give the variable which will be the player, and then after the tie in this we are gonna lose. I just type you lose, and after I type this I'm gonna go right here because I made a mistake. So all I need to do was actually go here 1 2 3 4, and then I need to add another if loop. So if computer equals to paper, then we are gonna do these. So I'm just gonna press tab and it's gonna adjust itself. So after this is done, we are gonna go again if computer equals to scissors colon, we are gonna print computer colon and then a space, and then we are gonna print the result, and then the same thing for the player. print the result again, and in this you're gonna win. So I'll just print you win. And after that, so this is the scissors, and now as you can see, one condition is done and two more are remaining. So now what we have to do is we are going to go again and we're going to make an elif loop. Elif player equals to scissors, and then if computer equals to rock, here, then we are gonna print the same thing, computer and the colon and space, and then we print the result as well. Same thing for the player as well. Again, this is gonna happen a lot, colon space, and then we print the player. And in this you are gonna lose, so I'm just gonna print you lose. Okay, so now this is done. We are gonna move. I just made a mistake here. Okay, so we are gonna move. So if computer equals to paper, then we will print computer colon space, and then we are going to print the result. Next we will print the same for the player, colon space, and then we will print the result as well. So now after this you are gonna win in this, so I'll just print you win. Like that. And after this there is one more condition left, so all you need to do is I think 10 more lines of code. So again we are gonna go at it, and we will be like elif player equals to paper, then if computer equals to scissors, colon print the same thing, computer and then the result. Same thing for the player, so player colon space, and then we'll print the result. And after this, in this round you are gonna lose, so I'll just print you lose. Okay, so now we'll go to if computer equals to scissors, rock, then we will do again the same thing, computer colon space, and then we'll print the result. Same thing for the player, print player colon then a space, and then we'll print the result as well. And then in this round you are gonna win, so I'll just print you win. Okay, so code is done over here, but if you want to make it look more nice, so all you need to do is go over here and make another variable which will play again equals to input, play again question mark, then brackets yes or no, and a colon and a space, and we'll convert this into the lower string, and then if play again equals exclamation mark equals to yes, then a colon again, and we will break, and then we'll go outside of the loop and we will print bye. So that's it for the code. In 40 lines you have made this game, and if you want to run it you can. So rock, paper or scissors. I'll choose rock. You lose. If you want to play again, if we say yes, it prints like bye and it comes back. So that's something you can fix if you want. If I choose paper, it's a tie. So that's how the game works. And by the way, thank you so much for 150 subscribers. I really appreciate it. So that's it for this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Till then, bye.